It's cold in the shade.
You live now?
Uh-huh. Yeah, I wanna ride in the sun. Cause I'm cold. I wanna ride in the sun.
Well, you ain't got much time, so where you go?
Yeah. I'm waiting for some people to get on. Alright, y'all, just gonna do a quick little walkthrough. This is everything that came in that we're gonna be working on getting listed. There's a lot of draft horses and standard breds. The standard breds, we didn't bring them dadgum clippers. This horse right here is going to be a Belgian. He's only going to be about 5 or 6 years old. There's another Belgian. There's a Belgian stud out here. There's a Belgian mare. Got some cute halflinger ponies. There's another little halflinger. Here is the Belgian. We have this Belgian baby. He's still a little stud colt. It's a big old baby. We've got some Dutch harness crosses out here. Look at the baby. It's got a half blue eye. What are you doing, baby? Baby's bigger than me. Here's a Percheron gelding. I think that one's a Percheron mare. There's another gray Percheron mare. There's a standard bred. Lots of Belgians. There's 3 of those little halflinger pony crosses. That right there is going to be a Dutch harness horse. There's a really pretty Dutch harness. There he is. Black one. Some more standard breds. The one laying down and the one beside it are 2 Tennessee Walkers. If anybody needs some gaited horses. This right here is going to be, I think it's a Dutch harness or standard bred, one of the 2. Hi. This right here is the Belgian stud. So everything out here came in with him. And he's been out here with everybody. He's got pretty good manners though. He's not bothering or beating nobody up. Here's the Dutch harness horse. He's my favorite. It's black, 3 stocking legs. The comments are not popping up on my side, so if y'all are asking questions or anything like that, I'm not seeing them. Here's a little team of halflinger ponies. Both geldings. Got a paint. It's a pretty Palomino gelding. He's just going to be a quarter horse. It's going to be a Belgian cross, maybe a Morgan something cross, some kind of crossbred horse. This Belgian mare over here, she's only 11 years old, but she's got a bad eye. Her right eye is, I guess I'm just gonna say it's gone. Palomino quarter horse. Yes, Bettina. I don't know if he was with them, like in the same pens at the Osbourne, but he's out here with them now, and these horses have been here. They got here on somebody lost their halter. They got here on Christmas Eve night, I think, and then I told him I was waiting until after Christmas. I wasn't gonna ruin my Christmas shopping on Christmas Eve, getting ready with the kids. So they've been here since Christmas Eve, so he's for sure been out here with them since then. But I don't know prior to that. But he's over there now. But I think there's 33 head of them out here. I'm gonna get through as many of them as I can today. Kids have Polar Express tickets tonight, so I'm not gonna get through all of them. But there's more horses up at the front besides just these from the truck that we stopped. I think there's 9 up there that were not gonna be shown. And this is the 5-year-old. He's giant. Hi, buddy. There's 9 more up there. There's a registered stud up there. There's a really big, I don't even know if I'm saying it right. He's a Trakener cross. His dad's a Trakener and his mom was a thoroughbred something cross. So he's some kind of warm blood horse. But we're gonna get started on these. Y'all be watching their posts. Be sure to share them all out. And we'll see you in a little bit.